ka jing Rakhe jong Shnong Mawtnum ya ka jingdam ka ba shispa Snem jong Shnong hanin gasngi kala poino ha ka bakut ha ka bala penlong ya ka jingilang ka ba kerpang da ka ba ya ki jingai sngewbha sya baro ki nongshong Shnong ki bala mi syakmat bat ki bala ra ya ka nam jong Shnong kentup nadu ki balong officer ha ki tanat sorkar baper ki bala pas ha ki kedan pule ki ba he bat ki ba pas ningkong nangta ya ki nong yalam Shnong nong mi khmat pai ba ki nong ai dawai ki nong sumar breu kentup de ya kiwe ki balong ka burom jong Shnong Mawtnum nadu ki Snem ki ba mensyua balas dang ningkong ya ka Shnong hadu kini gisngi ki ba mentah urang ba Shnong Mawtnum uba bat hok nong mali hak jingai jingkran jong u hak ni jingilang ula penpau ya ka jingkemen ba ka jingai lenti jong Shnong ban kenjo shaw momer ba shispa Snem ka dehi de ka jingilong shitli jong ki nong Shnong hadu kini gisngi ki ba mentah haka bola bu da kejing kentu babaro ki pai ba nong Shnong bakin penne pensa ya kene kejing long shitli kenang ba Shnong kan nang kiu na ka wai ka Snem shaka wai pat ka Snem da kejing bha nalor ki pai ba nong Shnong hanin gasngi lawan ro ban sakhilang da UMLA ka than u Dr. Celestin lengdo balawan poi ha kene gasngi kum kongsan ha kejing don lang jong Deputy Commissioner District u Abilash Baranwal ka kong LG ba ranja ki nong ilam Shnong nek Shnong gi mamarjan lembat kiwe hadin ke jingilang ke balawan poi ki kenrem ki lendan hakapor janmet la penlong pan da ke jingerwai ke Iashad bat ke jingyale sngewbha jubilee ya ke bala penbut ru da ke jing Pynher ya ki hot air balloon jubilee ki bala penpu ya ke sahid beneng da ki te ki hot air balloon lane ki lanten ha ke Shnong baro ka wei ha ke bala penbut pan sa ke jing penbernya ya ke janmet baro si janmet da ke kenuhun tem simple vibes baru nong tem DJ
Syakliar kanam custom kan play wagyang Syah ki klur watre aram tang banyo kabang durut teng wat kasyon kaban Panyam kerteng bangsa kanam wat long ki klen latang Pajuan labang Oh, lebih gua belong Kiklun Pynhap Iashad mensim kat balak ringkat gas tam toyeng yang Haslap ko Kun ngan ong shikan tin tu da pentay pang Wat ngop hagi jing thala Yo pimla ban bakala Shong dor bhagitin sneng tin kram blaben shedda imei pa kitin spyru pa jongki pinam la banyo ujli ladat
kum ka Shnong ngi hapon kin mau ya ki sinjam ki ba ki longshwa monshwa ki jungi kila sengi kan nongrim hagani ka Shnong nadu usnam ka thandai spa arpusau blasdang ban sengi ka Shnong kidon kindiat ki bynta ki bangakwa ban pen mau lang yangi kini khubor ka banengkong ka dai ka jingyatli ka jingyet ka sensyar ha ka Shnong Mawtnum hap ban mau hakum kini ka ski badakawai ka tapmo Dakawai kasati kilit bani tho hadu prak ndajur ladap kejing bani tho syukurim hakum kene kasngi ikan mau kejing teli jeung dong Shnong hakarep karyang kiim da kejing trelang da kaba hakakitin Bhoi ing bali bara kata kadela senorim ka Shnong kejing teli kawai pade ka pangyamla pan klat Maka ni ka Shnong ka basmat ka basting ka longshwa manshwa ka jungi kila sang dur ka Shnong ka rep karyang bat kila don kinong rep ka blapoy sadu sa dalhi banyo ya kata ka first prize kum unong rep ha ka Snem 70 plus nagta syusyo kabapan kenbau ingi kena kasngi kalong bakidon kilong kemi kilong pa kiba kekya na kabanta ki kampule dang le jong ki khun ki jongi kidon ki kpa na kena Shnong ngani thu ipi kiba pen khoi ya kalenti Shnong na Mawtnum sa saidan sieng ban pele school ki khun hakum kena kasngi pen mauru ingi kinong song Shnong bagi don gilong shwa man shwa jungi ke basandur ka pule ka dangle lada day ban tresitom kano ki petengi ke jing pule lada day ban khat esir ba tang badio ban leit pule ki petengi ke jing pule ki paradong no Shnong baye nakalyang junga ngadap daga jing sukumen bangiyo ya kenika lat ban Rakhe ya kenika jing dap cheese pa Snem jong ka Shnong kidan bun kibanta kibangi hap ban ekran rai kapor kamsya rai tangkawai ka ba ngakerpat kalong baka jinge teli ka jinge long jong kawai jong ka Shnong ka thau kanang yan nang ni sakmat bikinang mi kiriu pule kinang mi kiriu sandur ka sanyima sima kinang mi ki student ki jungi kibo pule ki lang ba pher nagbanta kaim lang kasalang
Sngewbha ong kalong ka badai Roma Shnong ba abuk bengi kodik bat ka executive committee ka jongpi ba pilarai ban Rakhe shi Snem kenti ringkat bat ki program ki ba pher ban Rakhe Iaka jingdap shispa Snem jong ka Shnong ka jongpi kat bangarang syong menehang tu ban sengap ke jingkren bat ke jingai awards ke paper imat ngaru ngarang tip mendaga sengi balai baka Shnong Mawtnum ka kerteng Mawtnum namar bakila ai hapo kadur ya ulum Mawtnum imat day une kadur jong u kalongkum katunum lese kadai kata ba ka Shnong kayo ya ka kerteng Mawtnum ngis ngau sarong ban yoi yaki achievements ki ba pher ki ba ki nongsong Shnong kilala ban le hakapor balakha yangi lakha equal sem khare no ban ong une so long doktor une lakha ban long lawyer une lakha ban long pastor ya une lakha ban long rama Shnong em baharo yangi lakha kaju ka jingli ka mi menta kalong tanggane ke balai pat don ki balong MCS balai ki don ki balong doktor balai ki don ki balong pulit balai don nong di drugs balai don nong di guai kine baro ki day kibangi ngijit hakalenti yak jong ka jingim ke jongi ngiyas dang marengkat kaktin pareng gaong the choices we make determine what we become kano kabangi jit na kabanta kalenti yak haka jingim ke jongi kata kan sa saindur ngilong ki ay ngin klep no ya kata ke achievements ke jongi ngin kin mau ya kane ka basic nganong kno ngin kin mau ya kane ke kentin ke babaro ke baja ke jingim ke jongi kadai ka jingjit ke jongi urang ba Shnong ula jit badai ban lek kemen dai ban lek burom ya ki balayo achievements ka Shnong ka thau kala jit ban menjuru ban yas nokti dai na ta kadaw ngi baro ngi lum ha kanai lumpung Terkumu MLA ujong pi ngaru ngalajit benong Maria job hau arpor fulai ngadai ban pendep ya kaying dorbar Mawtnum ngalajit bakan dep ngilai tre rengkat bat kaying dorbar kaladep ngaru ngalajit banong bahaka kentoik hapo Mawtnum ka bompat yok surok rong dei ban peniok surok rong kajing tre kadang yak syai balai kajing tre yak namar ngalajit badai ban le ya kata irambak Shnong mani ilaong kendiat tak wadla impat poi ha kene ka celebration ila Nongpoh ya kajing don kam ngatarai ki pai ba menemen mit kila yo i ba ki surok Shnong kila kham thaba kendiat dei ma dei rama kaya ka ba pen thaba ka solar street light balai ka poi ka solar street light kadau galong banga ngala jit ban ong ngadai ban lek sitom ban penio solar street light hapok Mawtnum ngajit lana ngajit ban ong amat sa sya Mawtnum ngana sya sya even that ngala ban lek tingiran hang ne ki kena school ki jongi rengkat bat ki uniform ki jong pi pila ban pe yo ne nyuli banong utei udei doktor balai ulong doktor namar ula jit bat ula kuah ula pulih tangba ban long MLA pat ngamla ban jit hi dei ki pat ba ban jit yang ban long MLA tangba kataru dei ka jingrai jong ki pat ba ban ong ngin jit ya u doktor bom lada pimrai ban jit ngan nomlong tingilaya sispa Snem ngila ai ka burom ya barok ki balas dang ya kana ka Shnong ngila pen i ka jing sngongo i ki nong lam lanti ki balong first ngasngo sarong ban yo sngo mene uba pas neng kong BSc uta how tau Snem ubalong inspector of police uba trekam sarkar neng kong kini baro kilong ki barit tangba ki penlong krau ya utau nong yo kikam ki barit kin sa saindur yang apa dia fi umendi usdang cipek mata kasngi lasai arpek hadin si benai ong arpek kekli jonga kam ki isu ladon kam si kuatar baik hadin arsdem uang ngadon kam ki perlok ki bas season peniang si bilor teh tangar ngot daiban pelimbe itu bilor
putting up such a grand show. I understand that this is the closing ceremony and the functions to celebrate to basically celebrate the centenary 100 years of Mawtnum has been going on for almost 1 month. So congratulations to you, congratulations to your entire team. I know that Mawtnum, I work closely with you, so I understand that how zealous, how hardworking, industrious and progressive people of Mawtnum are. And I, as Deputy Commissioner of this district, am proud to say that this is probably one of the most progressive village in entire Bhoi and as good as any other place in entire district. So congratulations to all of you. I'll keep my speech short, but I know many people over here personally. So still, and the students are over here. Sir, I'm not sure whether you are aware or not, but then I had visited Mawtnum probably a few months, probably a year back for inauguration of some PMAY houses. At that time, I and the executive committee, along with the Shnong, we had discussed regarding how to ensure that the youth can be moved away from the vices like drug consumption and etc. And at that time, we had discussed something about introducing martial arts as something which is to be made compulsory for all the youth so that they can remain away from drugs as much as possible. I did not really expect that they will actually do it because these kind of discussions we keep having with the community. But Mawtnum, for a change, under the leadership that it has, actually walked the talk. They have made sure that martial art has been introduced for all the youths over here, and I'm sure that with the visionary leadership that they are showing, the youths over here are in able hands. So I congratulate again to the steps that you have taken for the same. Simultaneously, sir, since I'm the deputy commissioner of this district, and I'm also an IS officer, so whenever I meet students, I tend to get into that mode of giving gyan. But so apologies for that, but then I'll utilize my time since the students are over here. I just want to inform you that I want to in fact request you that you are inheriting a legacy. You are in a village that is 100 years old. Today you are seeing so many people getting felicitated for being the first one to receive different sorts of degrees. But you also should understand that it is a movement which calls upon you to serve a responsibility, the responsibility to ensure that Mawtnum continues to, the flag of Mawtnum continues to fly high in entire district, state and country. Your advantage is that you have good leadership, you have good schools, and you have good public representatives as well. We already have one as the chief guest over here. So please utilize these opportunities, work hard because there is no alternative to that, and make sure that you live up to this legacy and you uphold it and you make name for Mawtnum as well as yourself. That's all from my end. Again, I congratulate everyone for this 100 years of the village, which is in fact amazing, and I look forward to working closely with the village leadership so that we can do more and more things for the people over here.
Kabaningkong ngasngo kami na bangarong hakani ka Shnong Mawtnum ngayo kini ki jingtho hakini ki flex kapan ketik yang yakiwe ki kentien ki beong haki Shnong ka jutiet bhayo klong Snem tinganget baya lanatiet stat yaki klong Snem pinbot yakita ki mati jong ki longshwa ki jongpi ki balaya lam lenti kamtam ya ka Shnong kumjo ikiway ki Shnong ru bat nganget scam mga yeng nang ni ngapet ikidur jongpi ngampet tang ikidur ngayo iru bakata ka jing shampang jong ki longshwa ki jongpi bat ka jing kular yapi ka Shnong Mawtnum ki juong ru bahaki Shnong uklong Snem utiet kamstad bat nganget bau blehi un ai khubor yapi baro ki nong Shnong jong ka Shnong Mawtnum ba pinya te song iway pa iway knang bakalaway ka basyadin kinyo bot yaki kam ki babhab ka bapi baro pila yale nga kitbok kit ruwang ya ka Shnong ka thaw baro bat kumjo ki Shnong marjan ba utray undan ringkat lam ringkat bat pi baro ba knang nang ne siya kmat nginya tray lang haka imlang salang manginyo ban pinbha yaki kun samla yakalaway hi kabansawan